Hi everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. So today I'm going to show you how you can move even in your work environment. So let's first step away from the work environment. So your chair, your desk, right? Let's place our feet apart, hands apart. Let's close our eyes. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale through your nostrils. And exhale. Even slower breath in. And exhale. Last one, in your exhale, you're going to visualize your shoulders. Ready? Inhale through your nostrils. Picture your shoulders and exhale. Nice. Good job. I invite you to say these positive affirmations within you or out loud. I am strong. I am kind. I am brave. I am safe. I am healthy. I am happy. Let those go deep into your inner being. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Let's first start with the cat-cow, right? So seated version. So you're going to sit down, right? You can do it even at your desk, no problem. So you're going to place your hands on your kneecaps. Inhale, curve your back, gaze up. Exhale, arch your back like a cat, gaze inward. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, feel that spine curving nicely. Inhale. Go with the breath. Exhale, really good for anxiety, back pain. Inhale. Exhale. It's stimulating your central nervous system. Inhale. And exhale, nice stretch. And we're done. Good. So we're going to stretch our sides a little further. Sweep your hands up. Inhale, up, up, up. First imagine someone's pulling you from the ceiling up. Nice. That's it. Good. And you're going to bring your feet a little apart. And exhale to your left. Feel that nice stretch on your right side. So you can do this even standing, right? I'm just showing if you're not able to really step away from the workstation. Up, up, up. Exhale, nice to your left, to your right, and feel that stretch on your left. So hold the pose. Other than helping with back pain, also good for your digestion. So it's a plus. Inhale, up, up, up. Now we're going to go behind. So inhale, exhale, nice twist. Breathe normally while you're there. So this will help you with, again, digestion, right? But it strengthens your lungs, a strong immune system. Inhale, up, up, up. Nice twist to your right. Again, left. You can place your hand on your leg also, that's fine. Breathe normally while you're there. And to the center. Now I invite you to do a bit of toe taps. So you're going to place 1, 2, 3, let's go, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, really good for your glutes, 9 and 10, good job. And we're going to balance on our toes. Inhale, up, 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 and exhale down. Last one, inhale, up, 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 pull yourself up, balance, and exhale down. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale, and exhale. One big inhale, and exhale. The last one is simple jogging. Okay, I absolutely love it because it's one of the fastest way to get your blood flowing. So let's go. So you're going to kind of hop. You can, if there's no one in front of you, you can just kind of move any part of your body just however you like it, right? Or just simple jogging like that. Of course, if you have the liberty to do star jumps and you're at home, please go for it. Just keep visualizing that the energies are getting cleansed. You're getting good energy, all your stress is leaving you, right? When you move, all your anxieties go, right? So it's really important. Good job. All right, hands apart, feet apart. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths in. Big inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one, let's visualize those shoulders. Ready? Inhale through your nostrils. Picture your shoulders and exhale. Nice, good job. Let's also connect back with our affirmations and know that you are strong, you are worthy of success, you are worthy of love. You have everything you need to face the day. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Good job everyone in joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.